Okay, gang, how are you doing? This is Dagi JFX, so I'm going to break down for you that trade I took today on GBPUSD. It's just it's the craziest trade, like the craziest of all. Nah, it's not the craziest, but it's just a weird kind of trade that I took. Let's see what happened. Let me break down it for you. So this trade looks still in profit, but guess what? I didn't make any. Like I lost on this trade. I lost some money on this trade, but it is still in profit. You see, right? So how did I lost money on this trade? Okay, let's see. Let's break down. Yeah, it is playing on my position, on my direction. Yeah, okay. It did even win like some kind of 30 pips my direction. So it might probably go and hit the full TP. I don't know. It's then during the night. So here's what happened. So I took the first trade at right around here after it retested down. No, I even know. I took it around here, like the starting point. Then it go back down a little bit. Then it came back to my profit in my position. So yeah, okay, it was playing good in my position. Then I was like, okay, this is good. Then I thought about adding some position. I should add some position. I said like for myself, I should add some position, and I added position around where when it went. Then it was retesting back, and it created this wick. Now it came down and touched the 20 EMA and created that wick. Then I added some position around here, like boom, thinking that I might also still add some profits to my position. Then I put my stop loss to the entry point. Actually, not the entry point, a little bit above. I think around here. Yeah, 15 pips, something. Below the 50 EMA, I put some around here. And then it was playing in my positions, and I made the original trade, the first trade. I moved the first trade, stop loss to the break even. Look at this trade. Now, see how I lost this trade, right? So first, on the first retracement, it took my added position away. Boom, it hit my stop loss of the added position, minus some money. Then it went back here, like it retraced, and then I was like, okay, at least I will recover what I lost. Then back there, I didn't see even this the biggest bearish candle. So it came back straight to my entry point, my break-even point. Then it took the original trade on break-even, but hit the stop loss of the added position. So which means I'm on negative. So it's crazy, you know. Then it's going back and again, and it's just messing around. I didn't see. I've seen some kind of weird trades that I didn't document it before, but this one is just the weirdest of all that I'm documenting now. So somebody may play on it. It's still playing. We still have a chance. I'm making some profit, but it's not. You know, just because the trade is playing on your direction doesn't mean you are making a profit. No, yeah, your stop loss has to be at the right point. So actually, it's not bad. Making your profit to break even is not bad. So I could have made to the 8 pips of loss is not bad. You know, I could have made like the 8 pip loss. The stop loss to 8 pip loss points. It would have been better. So I could have closed like this kind of profit, and I could have made some money. At least I could have been a break even, but now I'm in loss. So I think it's not big loss. Okay. So what else? Yeah, like previously also from previous trades, I've seen multiple trades that the price comes to right to your like one tick to your in my entry point, and then it reaches back to the full TP. So for that purpose, it's always better to put your stop loss to some kind of 5 pip or 8 pips in loss than putting it right in the break-even direction. So because sometimes price comes and they touch it and then it takes you out and then flies back to your position. So for that purpose, sometimes it's good to do that. And understanding where to add position. I'm like, this position is too high for adding positions. I should have waited like to add position a little bit of solid retracement or something. I was just kind of, I can say I was greedy and to add position. So even if I added position around here, I could have like probably in profit if I didn't touch that, or I could have break even with no loss. So this trade is probably gonna play out in my direction throughout the night until full TPR to this key point. So it doesn't matter now. So I'm just gonna wait for Monday to come and keep selling GBPUSD because on the higher time frame it's bearish. I was just trading the retracement. If you see the higher time frame, the GBPUSD is kind of bearish momentum or something. So it's gonna push back if it breaks this point and retraces. Okay, it's changing its direction. So if not, there's still key point down there. If we see the daily time frame, it probably will continue selling downwards after coming to this key zone. For that, I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen on Monday. This is my trading on Friday. Since it's a Friday, I think that's why the price is acting weird now. Friday banks are closing. I think the market's about to close and the big money is leaving the market. So actually, the big money is not trading on Fridays. It's traded. I think I don't know that much about that thing, but Friday is kind of weird. Price action still not bad, but still needs a little bit of management here. So this is a breakdown of the trade. Thank you guys for watching. I hope we will make this loss back on Monday or Tuesday or someday next week, and keep winning. Just have to keep going and keep winning. I don't care about this position anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna see this position again. So I'm going to delete it and leave it to play. Or I should even just watch what's gonna happen. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video.